Oh, excuse me. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little bit of prep work. One, for the 2 tropical storms. Well, actually one's a hurricane, or will be a hurricane by the time it makes landfall here in New Orleans. 2, prepping to go to Midpond, both of which we need our generator. We're bringing our generator to the track up near Birmingham, I think, and Alabama. Anyway, we got to get this generator up and running. It runs, its battery's dead, so we're gonna jump it, make sure it cranks, all the good stuff. We're gonna trickle charge it to get it ready for first, the tropical storm, in case we lose power. 2, we're taking it to Midpond. We gotta get the Z on the trailer. I need to weld up some D-rings on the trailer because the way I'm strapping the tires down, I'm just not too happy with it, but I got some D-rings. We're gonna weld those on the side, knock them out. That way we can strap the tires, pull straight down on them between the mounts, and they won't move as much. At least that's the plan. Load up the tires, load up the car, and just get ready to rock. We're leaving Wednesday morning, and then we'll be up there for a couple days before the event just to hang out and chill. And then Saturday, Sunday, we're driving. But that's a separate thing altogether. So let's get into the prep. And let's get it knocked out. I already mowed the grass, I'm all sweaty. It's warm. Let's do it. guys. So we got the what do we call them? D-rings. God dang. Got them on there. Weld's okay, not bad. Not the best, obviously. This is me we're talking about. But for holding tires on, I think those things are overkill. I got one wire down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, kind of hanging right there. I'm gonna tuck that guy up just so it's not flapping around, catching on stuff. And then we're done with the trailer. Probably gonna load the Z up while it's not pouring. Just don't have to do it in the rain. Load it up, get the tires and the wheels, everything on the trailer and ready to go. And then probably go stick it back in the backyard. And we'll be pretty much ready to roll. Just be getting, you know, cameras and drone and all that stuff set up. So get that wire tucked up, get this guy back on the back. We got the generator rocking, so that's all good. And that'll almost wrap us up. So get this wire tucked up, get the Z loaded, we'll be good to go. Loaded up. So, one last thing before we go. I need to get this guy right here mounted in the Z. I'm just gonna mount it right between the seats on the harness bar. Easiest spot, be easy to grab if we need it. So, I think you have to have it for tech, and then, you know, it's always a good thing to have. So, let's get that mounted up, and then we'll be wrapped up, ready to go. Hotter than a girl in a country song in that car, bro. It was warm. Anyway, that's it, guys and gals. It was not too bad. Took us a good couple hours, but we got the generator running. We got the D-rings welded to the trailer. We got that little wire put up, taken care of, so it's not dangling. Trailer brakes felt okay. It's still, like, empty, it'll lock the wheels up. But with the car in there, it's kind of weak. I don't know. I don't know if it's a bad ground or what. I mean, I don't know. I have to dig into it when I got a little more time. But all in all, wasn't too bad. We got that fire extinguisher mounted, so the Z is good to go, hopefully. Hopefully we don't have any overheating problems. But if you're down here in the south, and especially the New Orleans area, be safe with these couple of storms. This will probably go up right in between both of them. So as the first one passes, the next one's going by, that's when you'll catch this video. But be safe, you know, take care of your loved ones, and, you know, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content, consider subscribing. But again, be safe out there, and I appreciate everybody watching. Peace.